Oh no, I was waiting. I saw that one coming.
Well, he's caught his glove in it fucking 4 times today.
Yeah, but when his shirt goes in there, it's going to get way more exciting.
Today's episode is made possible through the continuing support of Becky Britz. Thank you.
Hello guys, and welcome back to the plant. We're at Site 3, where there is shit strung from hell to breakfast. This is really quite impressively bad. Just tool bags. Everybody's got their tool bag. I got mine. Everybody's got just, oh my god, it's a shit show. But I get to take you down here. So ladies and gentlemen, look at that sexiness. Freshly coated, ready for another 100 years underwater. That is the turbine. The Millbillies did this. It was Bootsy, Lunchbox, and Meat. I had absolutely nothing to do with it, but I'm proud of them, and that's really cool. It's beautiful. The turbine has been completely repaired and is ready to be reinserted down into the wicket cage. So it's going to be pretty cool. So in other news, I showed up with a Tote of Fun. I've got like 5 packages of these. By the way, if you're buying shop towels and you need a shit pot full of them, it's better to buy them in the rolls than in the yellow box. Just price per sheet, way better for the rolls than the yellow box. The yellow box is totally a ripoff. Got some slings, rabbit ears, my ugly harness. Given the nature of this particular project, this will probably be its last hurrah. And we've got my Carhartts and a variety of fruit flavors of cleaning products. We'll be getting intimately familiar with all of those coming up in the near future because I'm going to be cleaning this shit show. That is the stator. It's about 10 feet in diameter all the way around, give or take, about 8 or 10 feet. And that's what it looks like. I've posted pictures of this and people don't understand. Let's zoom out here. You can see all the individual poles. There's my finger next to one for scale. It's really that big. And it's really that filthy. And I get to clean it. They're gonna drop that down in the next couple days, and if all goes well, I'll be starting on probably Monday and cleaning my way all the way around. And since it's working, that whole thing there, the lid and everything will go back down, so it's like 15 feet from the lip down there to the bottom, so it's about 20 feet in the air. And I'm just gonna tie off on something up there, hang from my harness, and, well, I'll have my harness for safety. I'll mainly just be standing on that lip right there. And I'll just kick back, relax in my harness, and put my tunes on, and clean my way all the way around. So that'll be fun. That'll be exciting. So for the 300 people who are commenting, no, I can't pressure wash it. That would destroy it. Water, bad. Works at, about 3,000 volts to 2,400 volts. So water, bad. Water would destroy it. And we don't have the budget to do the dry ice blasting, as sexy as that would be. That's not going to happen. What we have is paper towels, Simple Green, Mr. Clean, magic erasers, some scrubbity bits, and it's going to be a lot of scraping. Most of this will come off mechanically with a lot of plastic scrapers. So that's the majority of what I'm going to be doing. And then it's just wiping it down, getting it clean. Because all this oil and grease has, over years and years and years, picked up a lot of metal dust, carbon dust, all kinds of shit. Well, all that shit's conductive. And this thing is a giant electromagnet. So when you put a conductive paste, that's what it is, all over it, it makes the efficiency go way down. So that just turns some of that magnetic field into eddy currents, which turns it into heat. And we don't get paid to heat. So we gotta clean all that out of there to get our efficiency up, because that's where the money comes from. and I got to get these guys making real money so that they can pay me what I'm worth. I think I can get up to like 17, maybe 20 cents an hour. That's what I'm pushing for. So that's the big adventure happening out here at the plant, is just getting everything put back together, and there's a million bits and pieces, and the guys are cleaning bolts and making parts, and you want to show them your stuff? All right, so what do you got, and what does it do?
One part goes in the bell housing, other section connects to the wickets, and it pushes it back and forth to open it. The reason they have a hole in the middle is they're designed to break.
Yeah, this is a mechanical fuse.
Yep.
It's a shear point. So why would you want that to break?
So that you can replace one of these, because these just slide in and off the pins.
Okay.
Versus having to drain a whole pit of 14 feet of water and climb under it and fix a wicket gate made cask that weighs.
It still doesn't answer my question. Why would you want it to break?
Yeah, so you don't have to go down there and replace the other part.
So the idea is this part, which is easy to get to, breaks to protect the hard to get to parts that are way underwater.
That are also like 80 times the size.
Yeah. Yeah, this is tiny compared to a wicket gate. I'll have to show these guys they've seen it in previous videos, but I should show them one that's not in the water sometime.
The wicket gate's like about that tall.
How tall is that?
4 feet.
So that's 4 feet. That's how high one wicket gate is.
Give or take some.
Ish, yeah. So that's what's going on out here at the shit show. It's a mess. It's a mess. I have never seen this building look so bad. But it'll be pretty when we're done. We're in the middle of it right now.
Spend enough time here. Shit gets messy.
It gets better. So that's where we're at. You guys have fun. I'm Chris Boden, and as always, we'll see you next time.